Welcome to our video on the benefits of starting a limited liability company, LLC, for your babysitting business. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting an LLC, and we'll also explore the advantages that come with this business structure. So, let's get started and explore the key benefits. 1. Limited liability protection. Starting an LLC provides you with limited liability protection. This means that your personal assets, such as your home or savings, are generally protected in the event that your business faces legal issues or debts. If any claims or lawsuits arise, the liability is typically limited to the assets owned by the LLC, ensuring your personal finances remain secure. 2. Professionalism and credibility. By establishing an LLC, you give your babysitting business a professional image. Potential clients often view an LLC as a more serious and reliable entity. Having an LLC can enhance your credibility, making it easier to attract clients, establish partnerships, and secure contracts with other businesses or organizations. 3. Tax advantages. LLCs offer flexibility in terms of how you're taxed. By default, an LLC is considered a pass-through entity, meaning that the profits and losses of the business are passed through to the owner's personal tax returns. This allows you to avoid double taxation that occurs with corporations. Additionally, LLCs can take advantage of various tax deductions and credits, potentially reducing your overall tax burden. 4. Operational flexibility. Starting an LLC provides you with the flexibility to customize your business operations. You can choose to have a single-member LLC, where you are the sole owner, or you can have a multi-member LLC, where you have partners or co-owners. This flexibility allows you to decide how you want to manage and grow your babysitting business. 5. Separation of personal and business finances. Creating an LLC enables you to separate your personal and business finances. This separation is crucial for maintaining accurate records, simplifying tax filings, and establishing a clear distinction between your personal assets and those owned by the business. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's dive into a detailed step-by-step guide to help you start your LLC for a babysitting business. Step 1. Choose a name. Select a unique and memorable name for your LLC. Make sure to check if the name is available in your state and complies with local naming guidelines. You can typically search for name availability on your state's Secretary of State website. Step 2. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the necessary paperwork, usually called articles of organization or certificate of formation, with your state's Secretary of State office. This document officially establishes your LLC and provides basic information about your business. Step 3. Draft an operating agreement. Although not always required, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. It helps clarify roles, responsibilities, and dispute resolution mechanisms between the members of the LLC. Step 4. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). An EIN is required for tax purposes and allows you to hire employees, open business bank accounts, and file taxes as an LLC. Step 5. Register for state and local taxes. Determine if your state requires you to register for state-level taxes such as sales tax or employer taxes. Check with your state's Revenue Department or Small Business Administration for specific requirements. Step 6. Obtain licenses and permits. Research and obtain any necessary licenses or permits required to operate a babysitting business in your area. Requirements may vary depending on your location, but common licenses may include a childcare license or a business license. Contact your local government or licensing agencies to understand the specific requirements and application process. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a dedicated business bank account. This will help you track your income and expenses more effectively and maintain the separation required for an LLC. Step 8. Obtain business insurance. Consider obtaining business insurance to protect your babysitting business. Insurance coverage can include general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, and workers' compensation insurance. Consult with an insurance agent to assess your specific needs. Step 9. Comply with employment laws. If you plan to hire employees for your babysitting business, ensure that you comply with all relevant employment laws. This may include verifying eligibility to work, withholding taxes, and adhering to minimum wage and labor regulations. Step 10. Maintain proper record keeping. Establish a system to maintain accurate records of your business transactions. Keep track of income, expenses, invoices, receipts, and other financial documents. Good record keeping will simplify tax filings and ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the process of starting an LLC for your babysitting business. Now you can enjoy the numerous benefits this business structure offers. To recap, starting an LLC provides limited liability protection, enhances your professionalism and credibility, offers tax advantages, provides operational flexibility, and allows you to separate personal and business finances. Remember to consult with a qualified attorney or a business professional to ensure compliance with local laws and regulations specific to your location. Thank you for watching our video on the benefits of starting an LLC for a babysitting business and the step-by-step guide to help you get started. We hope this information has been helpful. Best of luck with your new LLC and your thriving babysitting business. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC. personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.